Tired of leaky, smelly plastic containers? Meet the Igluu Glass Meal Prep Containers. This 10-pack set comes in two handy sizes, 1,050 milliliters and 370 milliliters, with airtight lids to keep food fresh and mess-free. Made from BPA-free borosilicate glass, they're safe, stylish, and reusable, perfect for meal prep, portion control, or healthy eating goals. Say goodbye to kitchen stress and hello to smart, eco-friendly storage that looks as good as it works. Why choose Igluu Glass Containers? Meal prepping is all about staying organized and eating well, but flimsy containers can sabotage your efforts. The Igluu 10-pack set is designed to make your life easier. Made from borosilicate glass, the strongest glass available, these containers are built to last. Unlike plastic, they won't stain, warp, or hold on to food smells. So your curry or spaghetti sauce won't leave a trace. Plus, they're BPA-free, ensuring no harmful chemicals sneak into your meals. With two versatile sizes, large 1,050 milliliters, 36 ounces, for hearty meals, and smaller 370 milliliters, 13 ounces, for snacks or sides, you'll have the perfect container for every dish. What sets Igluu apart is their versatility. These containers are safe for the freezer, microwave, dishwasher, oven, and even air fryer, without the lids, handling temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 560 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're baking a pasta dish, reheating leftovers, or freezing soup, these containers can do it all. The Airtight lock tab system with removable silicone seals keeps food fresh longer and prevents leaks. So your lunch bag stays mess-free. Customers rave about the strong seals, with one saying, "No leaks when transported." Perfect for meal prep and more. The Igluu containers are a meal prepper's dream. The 1,050 milliliter size, 21 centimeters by 16 centimeters by 7 centimeters, is ideal for main dishes like grilled chicken with veggies, while the 370 milliliter size, 15.7 centimeters by 11.8 centimeters by 5.8 centimeters, is perfect for snacks, salads, or baby food. Planning a picnic? These containers are leak-proof and stackable, saving space in your fridge or bag. Their nesting design also makes storage a breeze when not in use, keeping your kitchen tidy. For those who love cooking, these containers are oven-safe up to 300 degrees Celsius, lids off, perfect for baking pies, crumbles, or casseroles. After cooking, pop them in the dishwasher, lids on the top rack for easy cleanup. The removable silicone seals make thorough cleaning a snap, ensuring hygiene. One user noted, "I took out the seal to see how easy it would be to wash, and it was simple to put back." Eco-friendly. In a world drowning in single-use plastics, Igluu containers are a breath of fresh air. By choosing reusable borosilicate glass, you're reducing waste and doing your part for the planet. These containers are non-toxic, stain-proof, and odor-resistant, ensuring your food tastes as good as it should. Unlike plastic, they don't absorb flavors or colors, so your meals stay fresh and appetizing. The polypropylene PP5 plastic lids are BPA-free and feature air vents for steam release, making reheating safe and convenient. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or a fitness enthusiast, these containers help you stick to your goals. Prep a week's worth of meals, store them in the fridge or freezer, and enjoy healthy, home-cooked food anywhere. As one customer shared, they're just right for an individual portion of homemade soup and make an acceptable soup bowl. Why Igluu stands out? Compared to competitors like M Circo or V Top Mart, Igluu's 10-pack offers two sizes in one set, giving you more flexibility. The inclusion of snap lock lids with air vents and removable seals adds convenience, while the borosilicate glass ensures unmatched durability. Plus, Igluu's focus on eco-friendly materials makes it a top choice for health-conscious and environmentally aware consumers. In conclusion, make your meal prep easier and reduce plastic waste with Igluu's glass containers. These durable, BPA-free containers offer great value for healthy eating and time-saving routines. Say goodbye to flimsy, leaky plastic and switch to a smarter, eco-friendly option. Igluu gives you the strength of glass, airtight lids, and the peace of mind that comes with sustainable living. Order your 10-pack today and prep like a pro, fresh, organized, and green. Happy you liked it. Please subscribe Your support truly matters. Thank you.